Why, hello there, Hannah. How are you doing today?
Hi, Leilani. I'm great. How are you?
I'm pretty good. Should we play some croquet?
We should.
Okay, here I go. Excuse me.
Wow, look at that ball move.
What is that?
That's momentum.
What's momentum?
Well, Leilani, momentum is when you hit the ball, it's the object's mass times its velocity. So for example, if the ball is 1 kilogram and it's moving at 1 meters per second, then that means its momentum is 1 kilogram meter per second.
Today, we are going to learn some physics and how to walk in a straight line with a straight back with a book on your head. First off, we will calculate the GPE of the falling book when Hannah messes up. The book weighs 2 kilograms. Her height is 1.5 meters and the gravitational pull is negative 9.8. When you multiply all that together, you get 29.4 joules, the gravitational potential energy. Electricity.
Hello, Leilani.
Why, hello there, Miss Scarlett.
Don't you just love the new lights?
You know, they kind of actually scare me a little bit.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not used to all this electricity stuff.
Yeah, you know, it was kind of shocking for me at first too, but the electrician left me this lovely note explaining how it works.
Ooh!
Basically, the light bulb is hooked up to the power supply, which is connected, I don't really know where. But basically, an electric current moves through the light bulb through wires, and it's like a series circuit is what they call it. And it moves through the little filament, and that's what lights up. Basically, the electric current is in a solid conductor, and the electrons are moving freely throughout it. So all the electricity is going to the light bulbs in this room.
Wow. You know, I don't know if I can handle that. I don't like these electrons. But
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have to since it helps me cook.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, well, thanks for explaining that. Jared and Hannah share an axis as they spin. They do one full rotation on this axis and then Hannah spins out tangent to the circle she had been dancing in. As they spun, the centripetal force is what kept them moving in a circle. To calculate their centripetal acceleration, one can use the equation acceleration is equal to velocity squared over radius. If their velocity is 0.1 meters per second and their radius is 0.5 meters, then their acceleration is
What a lovely day to feed the ducks.
When Hannah drops the rocks in the water, you will see interference occurring between the two wave patterns, specifically both constructive and destructive interference. Constructive interference is when the crest of one wave overlaps the crest of another, adding their individual effects together. Destructive interference is when the crest of one wave overlaps the trough of another, reducing their individual effects. What a lovely noise that makes.
I know, isn't it?
Resonance is the tendency of a system to oscillate at a greater amplitude. When you drag your finger around the edge of a wine glass, it is causing a forced vibration which results in the singing or resonant frequency.